We've just met some friends on the trail who were not as lucky as we've been today. The worst, muddiest patch they've slid into. We're gonna try to see if we can help them out.
It depends on your definition of luck. Y'all couldn't have come by or we'd have been really stuck.
They've got several poor poochers up in the truck who have no idea what's going on, and they just want out and want to meet their new people. Ooh. What do you need her to do right now? I can't hear you.
She can start trying to eat back.
Yeah. Hot dog. Woo. Hang on. There you go. Yes. Woo!
And that's why I had her drive. I'm from the city.
Get it, girl. All right. Now we're going to see you through to the other side.
God bless you.
Look how deep that is, yeah.
Yeah, and the problem is we came this way, but then I just slid right in it.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
I know, that's why I was like,
Dang.
you see? Yes.
The dog is honking the horn. I'm dead. Yeah! And here comes my baby.